The Kidney Research Institute is a clinical and translational research program that's dedicated to trying to conduct research that impacts the lives of people living with kidney disease. We are working on studies from trying to prevent kidney disease, to develop new ways to diagnose different kinds of kidney diseases, to finding new treatments and new cures for a variety of different kidney diseases. From large epidemiological studies to detailed investigations of people living with kidney disease, to molecular interpretation and interrogation of how kidney cells work in health and disease.
The kidney on a chip is a small device the size of a credit card in which we grow cells from human kidneys. And we can expose these kidney cells to different toxins or drugs to make sure that drugs are safe for people and that they work against certain diseases. There was a request for proposals that came out from NIH and CASIS, which is the Center for Advancement of Science in Space. And they were looking for opportunities to send organs on ships to the International Space Station to look at how different organs and tissues and cells behave in microgravity. And we hope to use this environment to act as a tipping point that causes kidney cells to go from being healthy cells to being diseased cells. And this is a process we can't observe on Earth because we just don't know when that happens.
For the first time in history, we're able to actually grow new pieces of kidney tissue from people's own cells. Right now, people are restricted to dialysis or transplant, and neither of those is perfect. Even the transplant eventually wears out. So the goal here is to create new kidney tissue from people's own bodies that will be 100% immunocompatible and that we could create on demand, so there wouldn't be a need for the wait lists.
The Center for Dialysis Innovation is a brand new center here at the University of Washington that's dedicated to transforming dialysis therapy by using 21st century biomedical engineering concepts and 21st century biomaterials. At the end of the day, what we want from the Center for Dialysis Innovation are new dialysis devices, smaller, miniaturized, wearable, portable devices that enable patients to live their lives the way they want to live them and still get their dialysis therapy.
The study of cardiovascular disease is one of the core missions here at the Kidney Research Institute and the focus of my research. More specifically, I'm very interested in understanding the diagnosis, the pathophysiology, and the treatment of heart disease in patients with kidney disease. We're focused on several different areas, one being understand how standard heart failure therapies work in patients with kidney disease, and two, understanding how we can target known modifiable risk factors in patients with kidney disease, such as blood pressure. And these are incredibly important with potential to have great impact in patients with kidney disease.
So the fellowship program here at the Kidney Research Institute is the primary objective is to train the next generation of physician scientists who we hope will innovate and invigorate our field and ultimately hope their discoveries lead to better lives for patients with kidney diseases.
KRI engages patients in a number of different ways. Number one, we have patients participate as subjects as a part of the studies that we do. We also have them involved in all of our research. Virtually every project that we have has a patient as a part of the research team. Frequently, we'll go to Congress or other legislative organizations, and we will take patients as advocates.
I think that in the next 10 years, the Kidney Research Institute will hopefully deliver on its goals to put into clinical practice many of the ideas that we've now generated and gotten preliminary data for.
When you think about kidney disease treatment, you're in the right place being here at the Kidney Research Institute.
We have big ideas here at the Kidney Research Institute, and I think we're going to see a lot of advancements in the field, and I'm really excited just to be a part of this.
I think we're living in a great time for people who want to study kidney diseases. We finally have the tools available to us to completely, fundamentally change the outcome in the future for people living with kidney disease.